Welcome to Lento English. Ready to level up your English? Here we learn through stories, slow, clear, and fun. Listen, relax, and enjoy the journey.
1. Introduction. Cancer is a serious illness that affects many people around the world. For a long time, doctors and scientists have worked hard to find better ways to treat this disease. They have done many studies and much research. Often, treatments like surgery, radiation, or chemotherapy are used. These treatments can be difficult and sometimes have strong side effects. Finding new and gentler ways to fight cancer is always an important goal. Now, there is very important news in the world of medicine. Scientists have been testing a new kind of medicine. This new medicine has shown very good results in its first tests. It brings a new feeling of hope for many people affected by cancer. This hope is for patients with cancer, for their families, and for the doctors and nurses who treat cancer every day. This new development is a very big step forward in medical science. This new medicine is special because it works in a different way than older treatments. In some early tests, this medicine helped to make cancer disappear completely in a group of patients. This is truly remarkable news. It means that for some people, the future of cancer treatment could be much brighter. While this medicine is not a cure for all types of cancer, it is still a very important discovery. It offers new possibilities. Over the next chapters, we will learn more about this new drug. We will explain clearly what this medicine is and exactly how it works inside the body. We will also look closely at the promising results it has shown in studies. We will talk about the careful process of how new medicines are tested. You will learn which specific patients this drug might help the most. We will also discuss what could happen with this treatment in the future. This book aims to give you clear and simple information about this important medical news. It will explain this new development in cancer treatment using words that are easy to understand. Our main goal is to help you understand the science behind this new treatment and why it offers such great promise. This is a time of new possibilities and a new story of hope for people living with cancer. It represents a significant new chance to fight this difficult disease. 2. A new drug, a new medicine has been developed. It is a special type of treatment known as immunotherapy. Our bodies have an amazing system called the immune system. This system works like a strong defense team. Its job is to find and fight off things that can make us sick, like germs or viruses. It also looks for cells in our body that are not healthy. Sometimes cancer cells are very clever. They can find ways to hide from this defense team. They can send signals that tell the immune system, "Don't worry about me, I am fine." Because of these signals, the immune system might not see the cancer cells as a threat, so the cancer cells can grow and spread without being stopped by our own body's defenses. This new drug changes that. It works by helping the immune system. It helps our body's defense team to see the cancer cells clearly. Imagine the cancer cells wearing a disguise. This medicine takes away that disguise. Once the immune system can see the cancer cells, it knows they are dangerous. Then it can start to fight them. So this drug does not attack the cancer directly. Instead, it helps our own body's natural system to do the fighting. This is the main idea behind immunotherapy. It uses the power of your own immune system. It gives the immune system a boost, making it stronger and smarter in finding cancer. It helps the body's natural defenses attack the cancer. This type of medicine is a checkpoint inhibitor. This means it stops certain checkpoints that cancer cells use to hide. When these checkpoints are blocked, the immune system can become active against the cancer. It is like removing the brakes from the immune system, allowing it to work at full power against the disease. One example of this medicine is called dostarlimab. It has been used in studies for a certain kind of cancer. This cancer is found in the lower part of the digestive system, known as rectal cancer. The results from these studies have been very promising. They show that helping the body's immune system can be a very good way to fight cancer. The drug helps the body's own system to fight cancer, giving new hope to patients. 3. How it works. To understand how this new medicine helps, we first need to think about our body's defense system. This system is called the immune system. It works like a team of guards that protect us from harm. Usually, the immune system finds things that are not good for us, like germs or viruses. When it finds them, it attacks and destroys them to keep us healthy. Our immune system is very powerful and usually does a good job. However, cancer cells are often clever. They can sometimes hide from this defense system. This makes it hard for the immune system to see them and fight them effectively. The cancer cells have a special trick that helps them stay hidden. They have a kind of signal on their surface. This signal tells the immune system, "Do not see me, I am not a problem." So the immune system passes by, not knowing that the cancer cells are there. It does not recognize them as something to attack. This is why cancer can grow inside the body without immediate detection by our natural defenses. This new drug changes everything. It is designed to find these hidden cancer cells. The drug specifically looks for the special signal that cancer cells use to hide. When the drug finds this signal on a cancer cell, it blocks it. Imagine the cancer cell wearing a special cloak to become invisible. The drug takes away this cloak. Now the cancer cell can no longer hide. It becomes visible to the immune system. The drug itself does not directly kill the cancer cells. Instead, it acts like a guide. It makes the cancer cells clear to see. Once the cancer cells are unmasked, the body's immune system can finally recognize them. The guards of the body now see the problem. They understand that these are bad cells that need to be removed. So the immune system starts its natural job. It begins to attack and destroy the cancer cells, just like it would attack a harmful germ. This approach is very special because it only targets the cancer cells. It does not hurt the healthy cells around them. Many older cancer treatments can harm healthy cells too, leading to side effects. But this new drug is precise. It helps the body's own power fight the disease. It strengthens our natural defenses against cancer, making them more effective. This is why this drug offers such a big hope. It helps our own body do the work, making the fight against cancer smarter. 4. Good results. The drug showed very good results in its early studies. Doctors saw something remarkable. For a specific type of cancer, all the patients in the trial had their tumors disappear. This means 100% of them showed no signs of the cancer after treatment. This was a specific kind of cancer found in the lower part of the body. When doctors test new cancer drugs, they need to know how well the drug works. This is called the success rate. The success rate can mean different things, depending on the goal of the treatment. Sometimes success means that the cancer tumors become smaller. This is a positive step. It shows that the drug is working to control the cancer. Other times, success means that the patient lives for a longer period without the cancer growing worse. This is also a very important outcome, as it gives patients more time and a better quality of life. Both of these ways of measuring success show that the new medicine is helping people. For this new drug, the success was even more significant. It meant a clinical complete response. This is a special medical term used by doctors. It means that after the treatment, doctors could not find any cancer cells in the patient's bodies. The tumors were completely gone. This is a very strong result. It suggests that the drug was extremely effective in removing the cancer from these patients. Imagine being told that your cancer has completely disappeared. This news brings immense joy and relief to patients and their families. It offers a new sense of hope for the future. Patients who received this medicine experienced a profound change in their lives. They no longer carried the burden of the illness they had been fighting. This allowed them to return to their normal lives, free from the constant worry of cancer. Many could go back to work, spend more time with loved ones, and enjoy hobbies they might have put on hold. The studies involved careful checking of each patient. Doctors used various tests, including special scans and examinations, to confirm that the cancer was truly gone. These results were consistent for every patient in this specific group. This consistent outcome made the doctors and researchers very hopeful about the drug's potential. Such a high success rate is rare in cancer treatment. It shows the strong power of this new way to fight the disease. It means that the drug effectively helped the body's own defense system to find and remove the cancer cells. This kind of outcome is what doctors hope for when they develop new medicines. It brings a lot of positive feelings to the medical world. It suggests a future where more people can overcome cancer with new and powerful treatments. The patients in the trial felt much better and could fully return to their daily activities. This new treatment brought them much relief and a clear chance for a healthy future. It highlights a bright step forward in cancer therapy. 5. Testing the drug. A new medicine must go through many steps before doctors can give it to all patients. This important process is called clinical trials. Clinical trials help scientists and doctors learn if a new drug is safe and if it works well. There are different stages or phases to these trials. Each phase has a special goal. The first step is phase 1. A very small group of people takes the new drug. Doctors watch them carefully. The main goal is to check the drug's safety and find the right amount or dose. Doctors look for any bad effects called side effects. If the drug is not safe, testing stops. Safety is most important in this first phase. If the drug is safe in phase 1, it moves to phase 2. A larger group of patients takes the drug. These patients usually have the specific cancer the drug treats. Doctors still check for safety. But in phase 2, they also see if the drug is effective. They want to know if it helps fight cancer. They observe if tumors get smaller or if cancer stops growing. This helps researchers understand if the drug can truly make a difference. After good results in Phase 2, the drug goes to Phase 3. This phase involves a very large number of patients. The new drug is usually compared to the best existing treatment, called the standard treatment. Doctors want to make sure the new drug is better or as good as the old ones. They confirm its effectiveness and safety in many more people. This is a big step. If the drug does well, it can then be approved for wider use. Even after a drug is approved, testing does not stop. There is a final stage, Phase 4. Researchers continue to study the drug for a long time after it is available. They watch for any rare side effects that might appear later. They also learn more about how the drug works in different patients. This continuous study ensures the drug remains safe and effective. All these careful steps are needed to bring helpful new medicine to those who need it. 6. Who it helps. The new drug, dostarlimab, has shown amazing results. These good results were seen in a special group of patients. These patients had a certain type of cancer. This cancer was rectal cancer. But it was not just any rectal cancer. It was a specific kind with a special genetic makeup. Every cell in our body has a genetic makeup. This is like a set of instructions. For these cancer cells, there was a small difference in their instructions. This difference is called mismatch repair deficient, or DMMR. When cancer cells have this DMMR genetic makeup, it means they have trouble fixing mistakes in their DNA. This makes them different from healthy cells. It also makes them easier for the immune system to see and attack when the drug helps. So, for now, this particular drug helps patients with DMMR rectal cancer the most. It is very important for doctors to know if a patient's cancer has this specific genetic makeup. Doctors can do special tests to check for the DMMR marker. If a patient's rectal cancer is DMMR, then this new medicine can be a very good treatment option for them. If a patient does not have this DMMR marker, the drug might not work as well. This shows that medicine is becoming more personal. It means finding the right drug for the right patient based on their cancer's unique features. However, the story does not end with just one type of cancer. The way this drug works gives us great hope for the future. The drug uses the body's own defense system, the immune system, to fight cancer. This idea, or principle, of using immunotherapy to find and attack cancer cell weaknesses can be used for many other cancers too. Scientists are now looking for similar genetic markers or weaknesses in other types of cancer. They hope to find ways to use drugs like dostarlimab for different diseases. Imagine if other cancers like stomach cancer, lung cancer, or even skin cancer also have these special weaknesses. Then new medicines that work like dostarlimab could help those patients too. This means the future of cancer treatment could involve more personalized care. Doctors will look closely at each patient's cancer cells. They will find the unique genetic markers. These markers will then guide them to choose the best treatment. This approach offers a new and strong way to fight many different kinds of cancer. It brings much hope to patients and doctors around the world. 7. What is next? The drug has shown very good results, but more work is needed before it can help everyone. The next steps are important for this new medicine. At first, scientists need to do bigger studies. These are called Phase 3 trials. These trials will include many more patients. This is important to be sure the drug works for a large number of people. It also helps to see if the drug works the same way for different patients. These larger studies will confirm the good results already seen. They will also make sure the drug is safe for many people. This careful testing ensures the medicine is strong and reliable. Second, doctors need to study patients who have used the drug for a longer time. They will watch these patients for many years. This helps to understand the long-term effects. For example, they want to know if the cancer stays away for a long time. They also want to see if any new problems appear later. Understanding these long-term results is key to knowing the full benefit and safety of the treatment. This ongoing research helps medical experts make good choices. Third, for the drug to be available, it needs official approval. Government health groups must say the drug is safe and effective. In the United States, this is the job of the Food and Drug Administration, or FDA. The FDA checks all study results very carefully. This new drug has special help from the FDA. It is called a breakthrough therapy designation. This means the FDA believes the drug shows great promise. Because of this, the FDA will review the drug faster. This can help the medicine become available sooner. But even with this fast process, all safety checks must be done. No steps are skipped. The FDA makes sure the drug meets very high standards before it can be used widely. Once approved, the drug can be given to more patients. Doctors in hospitals and clinics will be able to prescribe it. This means more people who need this treatment can get it. However, the exact time when this will happen is not known. The approval process takes time. Researchers and regulators work hard to make sure everything is done correctly. Their goal is to bring safe and effective treatments to people as quickly as possible. These next steps are vital for this promising new cancer medicine. 8. A big hope. This new medical news is very important. It tells us about a big step in how we fight cancer. For a long time, doctors have looked for better ways to treat this disease. Now we have strong reason to feel hopeful. This information represents a major development in medicine, bringing fresh ideas to the medical field. It shows a significant change in how we approach serious illnesses. This new drug shows us a different way to treat cancer. It is not like some old treatments that can harm healthy parts of the body. Instead, this medicine works directly with the body's own defense system. This makes it a very special kind of treatment. It means that medical science is moving forward quickly. We are learning more about how cancer works and how to stop it. This brings new possibilities for many patients. It changes what we thought was possible for cancer care. The most important part of this new treatment is how it uses the body's natural defenses. Our bodies have a powerful system to fight sickness and bad cells. This system is called the immune system. Sometimes, cancer cells are clever and can hide from this system. But this new drug helps the immune system to see the cancer cells clearly. It helps the body fight the disease itself, using its own natural power. This idea is very strong. It means we are helping the body to heal itself. This is a big change from many older treatments. For doctors and medical teams, this drug is a new and strong tool. It gives them another effective way to help people with cancer. For patients and their families, it offers a very big hope. It means that there can be better days ahead. A cancer diagnosis might not be as scary or difficult as it once was for some. This drug is not a cure for all types of cancer, but it is a very important step forward. It opens doors for more research and for finding more good medicines in the future. This medical discovery brings us closer to a future with more success in treating cancer. A future where more cancers can be managed and treated well, allowing people to live full lives. It shows that hard work and smart thinking in science can bring amazing results. This new hope is a wonderful gift to the world. It reminds us that we can keep fighting and finding new ways to make people better. This is a very important moment in the continuing story of fighting cancer and finding new health.